Welcome back to our extreme bedroom makeover, the grand finale. I cannot believe this was the state of our bedroom just a couple weeks ago. It was looking a little sad. We had just brought over our furniture from our old home and didn't really put a whole lot of thought into the space. We added back some of the charm by exposing this 100-year-old brick chimney, and then we tried our hand at lime wash paint and chose a couple different colors to completely transform the bedroom. All of that was in preparation for this week, where we are finally bringing in all of our secondhand and curbside treasures, restoring them, and even doing a couple upcycles to really update our space. So sit back and relax as we put together all of the final touches. We are tackling this beautiful antique headboard that we got secondhand for $40. It is in really good shape, however there are some minor scratches and just some dull wood, so we're gonna use our favorite. I swear we're not sponsored by them, but we love this stuff. It's just Restore Finish in walnut, and we're going to just rub it on with a cloth. Here we go. Let's see. Hey, blending them in. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Grabbing some new blinds. These are gonna look so much better. Okay, so we weren't looking for a rug, but I really like this, and we have a gift card. We're getting it. The magic of the Honda Civic.
Perfect fit.
We purchased this conversion kit online. I honestly didn't even know this existed, but it is a perfect hack if you have a full-size headboard, which we did, and we were trying to attach it to a queen bed frame. It cost less than $15 and did the trick. Rug time!
Alright, we've got our side tables right here. You saw us pick these up for free last week on the curb. We've decided that we're going to go ahead and paint these black to break up the several wood tones we already have in the bedroom. We've got some leftover chalk paint right here, so we're going to go ahead and use this and get started.
I spend most of my time viewing what I want from the outside. I comb it can live my the only comfort I've found is blending in with another crowd. When things go wrong, we'll pass the blame around. 'Cause I can't lie awake for someone else to say I can live my life.
Bringing them up. Oh, it looks so good. It's coming together, Zona. What do you think?
She's so confused. This isn't where I normally sleep.
I think she likes the new tables you did. Oh yeah, that's a smile of approval. You look so cute in this room.
All right, we are riding solo today. Unfortunately, Lindsay is still feeling a bit under the weather, so that means you're stuck with me. Right now, I'm about to drive an hour south of where we live. Sometimes to find the best deals, you do have to drive a little bit further, and that is the case today. Going down there in search of a matching pair of mid-century vintage leather chairs. And then since we're already driving an hour, I thought it would be nice to bundle and try and pick up a fireplace. We've been in communication with a guy, so hopefully we can get lucky and nab both pieces of furniture while we're already making the trip. I sure do appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thanks. Take care.
On the way home, something pretty crazy happened. Tyler actually found a curbside setup that happened to have a legit antique fireplace set, and it really felt like fate. Nice.
We're in the nook today. We've got an old window here that's not operational. It's got a film over it that's blocking a lot of the light from coming through. And so today we're going to be removing that film and putting a stained glass that we bought online. We're going to put it over it to match more of the moody vibe we've got going on. It's got some greens and some yellows. So we're going to be removing this. We've got a glass scraper and a hair dryer to heat it up to help remove the film on it.
The light, come in. It looks like a fish. A whale. Oh my gosh!
That's gonna look great!
Look at the colors! is going to be a very fun day. We are in the car and we're about to hit up pretty much every thrift store and go looking for some more decor to finish up our bedroom. We've got a bunch of random things we're on the hunt for, so fingers crossed we have some good luck today. Cute little frame, and it's $1.
Attention to sound, the one that's coming from your mouth.
It's cute. It's very colors.
Turn it upside down.
I think we're getting it.
I really wanna hear you out.
Hey.
This is our color scheme, right?
Yeah, it's like the exact color.
$2.99. Can't beat it.
To be where you so calmly sit. When I'm further down, there it is.
Seeing if it works.
To just be
One works.
to really see
Number 2.
something other
Yay!
than just me. To lean in.
Today we are finally mounting our TV. I know it seems super simple, and it really is, but it's something we had just held off, and it makes a huge difference with very little effort. We went ahead and got some cord covers, and I think it is definitely worth it to really make it look as seamless as possible. So instead of buying a $1,000 frame TV, we're going to actually be using a rub and buff to create a gold frame look at a fraction of the cost. And we're just gonna literally rub it onto the perimeter of the TV. This is the part where you probably think we're a little crazy, and you're not wrong, but this is an old TV, so I don't feel too bad. And we actually did this to our living room TV as well, and I like the look of it. To take it one step further, you can look up vintage art on YouTube and pick whatever picture you like to really look like a framed piece of art. You may remember we found this crumpled up old newspaper when we exposed our brick fireplace, and I thought it was kind of cool, and I figured it'd be a fun piece of history to save. It's not super old, it is just from 2003, but that is still 20 years old, and you never know how long we're gonna live in this house. So I figured for fun we were just going to put it in this little black frame and hang it on the wall. And I think I'm gonna use the side with all the numbers instead of the burning down building. Fold it over all of the excess. Perfect.
Flip it over and see what it looks like.
Hey,
That looks awesome.
right? I like it's all wrinkled.
Yeah. Gives it a little character.
Heck yeah.
Stock market in big letters right there. Was it a good day? Sure was. We were going up.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin. This is it, Life's not infinite, it's the only chance we get. So why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? Will it click? Looking for the next new fix. Is this the new kind of sick? Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? They say they have the answers, but no one's getting better. They say they have the answers. It's always pay to enter. And isn't life funny? Make some money, spend it all to feel less crummy, and think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. Well, what else? Sit by ourselves, think about the hands we're dealt and all our guilt. Think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. They say they have the answers, but no one's getting better. They say they have.
We are finally sitting in our nook and enjoying this space. We actually do have the heat on in the fireplace. It is a little bit chilly here in Florida. This was just wasted space before, and it just makes me so happy to hang out in here now.
Yeah. We challenged ourselves to do this on a budget, and I think that was an overall success. We did this. It's definitely under $1,000. Everything we got is either used or secondhand or even free that we transformed.
We now have a whole room full of stories. Every time we look at the nightstands, we'll know exactly where we got them from, what street we found them on the corner of.
We worked on a bunch of different projects in this room, brought you along for the entire journey, so we would love to hear what your favorite part was. So comment below, tell us what you enjoyed the most. Maybe there's something you're gonna tackle in your own home. This is the first room in our house that we've decorated fully, and I think it's given us the inspiration to move on and tackle some more projects. We have 5 bedrooms, so there's no shortage of projects to be tackled. So I think we're definitely gonna sprinkle a little bit of that in along with doing the furniture that we normally do.
I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely a little bit more fun when we're able to work on pieces of furniture that we get to keep in our own home. So we're definitely gonna be doing more furniture this year, but hopefully we'll have some more pieces to actually put in our home. As you mentioned, we have an entire home to still furnish and decorate, so we have a very solidly booked 2023 plan for you. So yeah, with that being said, we will see you when we find our next project.